Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change your location in Shein. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to change your location, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app from your home screen. So once you open your Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the me icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on location section. After doing this, you need to now select your location where you want to change it. So simply select a location and tap on continue to see a website or the country you have selected, and you need to sign in once again. So once you get signed in into your Shein account, now your location on that Shein page will be changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.